Friends in Jesus Christ, today the church celebrates the feast of Mary, the Mother of God. And it is a great feast because Mary is chosen by God to be the Mother of Christ, to be the Mother of Son of God, to be the Mother of our Lord Jesus Christ. So dear friends, this is one of the feasts that church is celebrating today. And when you look at, in the world level, the whole world is celebrating the new year. So new life, new day, new experience is going to come, new relationship, new joys, new sorrows, whatever the experience that is going to come in our lives during this particular year. So it is up to us. We have to be very grateful to God that the Lord has given us one more year to experience His love and care, to go ahead with our dreams, our aims, to go ahead with our work, to go ahead with our goal settings and so on. Whatever the plans that we have, that we want to do it in this particular year. You may have planned to build a house, you may have planned to get a new job, you may have planned to get a good girl or a good girl for your son, or a good boy for your daughter, or for a marriage celebration or any wedding anniversary. You may be inviting some guests in your lives or to your home. So you might have prepared a lot of programs, or you might have previsioned a lot of programs in your lives, particularly this year. And we see that there is new virus coming upon, Omicron virus. We do not know what will happen, whether they will come to lockdown or they will ask us to go for lockdown once again, like in those times when coronavirus came. They put strict lockdown, that no one should go. It was very difficult situation. People who were going for daily wages, they were struggling a lot. They could not get money to buy their basic needs and medicines, and a lot of issues were there. And the world is proceeding with all the things that is happening. But even then, the Lord has given us the new year. Just look into yourself. Are you the person who is happy to go through this new year, or do you feel very sad? You have some disease, or you have affected by this coronavirus or Omicron virus, or you are affected by broken relationship, or you are affected by relationship with your wife or husband, or relationship with your brother, sister, or uncle, aunt, any niece or nephew, or any problem. Do you have it? Look into that and make sure that as you are going to begin this new year, let us try to become a new person, because Christ wants that. We have that image in us, the image of God in us, and He wants that image. He does not want, if suppose He wants you to be like this. He does not want you to be like someone else who you are not, or who you are not created for who. Because each one has their own image and likeness of God, and that image is what the Lord is expecting us. He does not want that we want to imbibe the other person's image in us and we come to God. No, He wants you, yourself, your inner self, your inner thought, your whole self, the whole of you He wants. That is what, dear friends, He wants. As we enter into this new year, let us make sure that we are very happy to enter into this new year, that the Lord is going to shower upon new blessings, new experience, new goals, new plans, new happenings, new events, new situations, new circumstances. Everything is going to be new in your life as you begin this new year. Anything can happen, dear friends. Let us be positive, to look into the positive side of all the things that is going to happen in our lives in this particular year 2022, and maybe express our gratitude to God in our day-to-day lives. Let us practice it, dear friends. Thank you.